How are you doing, folks? James Power here again, Junior Sales Executive over at BMW Joe Duffy Charlestown, and today I have this absolutely mint condition 2017 BMW 4 Series 420D M Sport Gran Coupe. She comes in this head-turning blue metallic finish with the BMW LED front lights, the M Sport front bumper, the iconic BMW kidney grille with the silver trim, front parking sensors. Around to the side you have the BMW spoked alloys on run flat tyres with the M Sport badging and the blue M Sport brake pads. You also have the M Sport suspension and braking system. You have the rear privacy glass, the Gran Coupe badging, the black trim surrounding the windows, the shark fin aerial on top. You have the twin exhaust at the back, the 420D badging, the automatic trunk, the rear parking sensors and the rear LED tail lights. Let's take a quick look at the interior. Now folks, that we're inside, you can see the multifunctional BMW M Sport paddle shift steering wheel, the BMW teleservice, the automatic transmission with the manual handbrake, the BMW iDrive system on board, the 360-degree parking sensors, the BMW navigation system. Also on board is the Sports mode, Sports Plus mode, Comfort mode and an Eco Pro mode. The interior comes in an ivory white Dakota leather with a platinum trim. Fully electric windows, automatic lights, rain sensing wipers, heated seats, air conditioning, the BMW SOS service system, keyless push button start ignition, the upgraded sound system, Bluetooth connectivity, armrest and many other extras. Now folks, that was just a quick look around this 2017 BMW 4 Series 420D M Sport Gran Coupe. If you have any questions about this car or any other car in our fleet, please feel free to contact us at BMW Joe Duffy Charlestown. Thank you very much for watching and I hope you enjoyed this video, folks.